अब आप कह रहे हैं ना हम, again you have a conflict of interest. I'll tell you how you have a conflict of interest. You can either elect to argue PTI's case, or you can argue the Sunni Ittihad Council case. And if you say they're interchangeable, they are not so.
Sir, there is no conflict.
There is a huge conflict.
Sir, wo main explain karu.
No, here the question, you don't know where is the conflict. I'll tell you where the conflict is. These independents, PTI candidates, they were certainly not your candidates. That's settled. We agree on that. Correct?
जी बिल्कुल.
You agree on that?
जी.
Why did they join you? We didn't tell them to do. Election Commission didn't tell them to do. That was a.
I'll explain.
Explain कुछ भी हो सकता है. We have to see the
जिस लेवल की मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन हुई है आपकी जजमेंट की, आप देखिएगा.
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब जी. Here the question.
जी.
If somebody misinterprets something, if somebody is wrong, you don't have to follow that course. You have to follow the constitutional course. Let me finish. Save your expressions also. I just want to, so you can understand the thing. We are here interpreting a constitutional provision of the Constitution. We are not here to hear कितनी ज़्यादती की इलेक्शन कमीशन ने या उसने. हम देखना चाह रहे हैं कि आइन क्या कहता है. सिंपल सी बात है. अब आइन अगर हम ये प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात लेके चलें, ठीक, then suppose not this case, any other case, 50 candidates choose not to join any party. So the balance is then tilted, I use the word with all its ramifications, in favor of the subsisting political parties, because you had started your submissions by saying that the House has to be full. That's the opening words of the article under consideration. So naturally it will be tilted. They have to do this act within a period of 3 days. So there will be a tilt if independents don't join it, or elect to join it on the 4th day, for instance, or any day thereafter. The House will be tilted in favor of a political party. And we can say, what is the ethos of this? The ethos of this is strengthen political parties at the expense of individuals. You can say that. That's a perfectly valid interpretation. If you want to use the word progressive, let's go by that word too. It also is in the scheme of things. What you have done, with the greatest of respect, I think muddled the case yourself. By first joining one Nazariyati, then joining Sunni Ittihad Council, who you represent now. You don't represent the candidates before us. You are one petitioner before us. There are not all the petitioners. You represent Sunni Ittihad Council. Would you be happy if all these candidates left you? You have to say no. Otherwise, you are how can you not say no? Every political party would want their ranks to be enlarged.
So victims have no choices. In this country, victims have no choices.
देखिए सियासी बातें आपको करना है.
No, it's not a सियासी बात. मैं आपको facts से दिखाऊंगा.
In this country, you have no things. Everybody, yes, every judge has a thing. There have been great judges who have resigned on matters of principle. They have refused to take the PCO. So please don't take the line of the coward who says, I have no option.
22 तारीख जो last day है रिजर्व सीट जमा करवाने का, उस दिन हमारा सिंबल ले लेते हैं. 13 तारीख जो last day सिंबल देने का, उस दिन
सिद्दीकी साहब, when you say मेरा सिंबल ले लेते हैं, you are Sunni Ittihad Council.
My lord, I'll show that there is no conflict. But let me just finish my
आपका सिंबल है क्या वैसे? जी, सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल का
घोड़ा है.
तो आपका तो नहीं लिया, ले लिया.
सर, I'll explain. मैं पहले इसकी इंटरप्रिटेशन खत्म करूं.